Rakhi Sawant is back, and this time not from a big boss house but straight from the courtroom drama. Yes, Rakhi Sawant, the queen of controversy, has officially ended her legal war with ex-husband Adil Durrani. Rakhi had filed a case against Adil for domestic violence, while Adil had filed a case against Rakhi, accusing her of leaking his private videos and photos. In fact, Rakhi's bail was rejected by the court, and she was ordered for immediate surrender. But just to avoid jail, Rakhi stayed in Dubai. And now, after months of explosive allegations, both finally told the Bombay High Court they're ready to move on. Reportedly, both decided to drop the case by mutual understanding and dismiss the allegations they had made against one another. According to Adil, it was Rakhi who approached first for the mutual understanding and withdrawal of the case to move on in their personal as well as professional lives. But if you know Rakhi, you know she does not like boring stuff. So as soon as she entered India, she was seen dancing with her fans at the airport. She changed her whole look and even called herself the daughter of Donald Trump. And not just a few paparazzi clicks, Rakhi is already back in the entertainment business. She recently appeared on the show Pati Patni Aur Panga, looking totally transformed, curly hair, black shimmer sari, and her signature sass turned up to 100. For Rakhi, every controversy becomes her comeback. Netizens suspect she will be in Bigg Boss 19 to hype up other contestants and of course, to gain massive TRPs for the show. But for now, Rakhi Sawant is back in India and her fans know the drama is only getting started. Deepika Padukone got replaced by Tripti Dimri in the movie Spirit just after 20 days of signing the film. And this news has created chaos in the Bollywood industry. On one hand, Deepika's PR team is all out to defame Tripti and is calling Tripti Dimri shameless and characterless. On the other hand, the director of the movie, Sandeep Reddy Vanga, publicly accused Deepika of leaking the script and called her unprofessional. So let's dive into the spiciest controversy of the week in Bollywood. Deepika signed the movie Spirit opposite Prabhas in the first week of May. But just after 20 days, news broke that Deepika had walked out of the film and Tripti Dimri was taking her place. According to sources, Deepika demanded an 8-hour shooting shift per day, a profit share in the movie, and even refused to speak Telugu for the film. And since it was not okay with director Vanga, he replaced her with Tripti. Vanga and Tripti had worked together in the movie Animal, which made Tripti a youth sensation, and she became widely known for her bold scenes and acting skills. But that didn't go smoothly at all, because just after Tripti's name got linked with the movie, people started trolling Tripti, saying she agreed to do bold scenes all over again just to earn fame and money. Some even said Deepika has class, so she didn't agree to do a bold scene, while Tripti has no class and is only after instant fame. Allegedly, all of these defaming memes and comments came from Deepika's PR team, and that she did Tripti dirty just because she got replaced. On the other hand, director Vanga also said that Deepika and her PR team have gone solo, that they released the script of the film and tried very hard to defame Tripti. Well, people are still waiting for a statement from Deepika and Tripti. But what are your thoughts on this one? Who do you think is at fault, and who is the real victim in this scenario?